All of these YouTube experts and gurus tell you one thing. Your product has to be problem solving, and that's going to be the main thing which is going to lead you to success. If you have a really problem solving product, it's going to work out, okay? It's going to be a winner. So let me quickly show you this. One of my students made $100,000 with this guitar spoon. It's not problem solving at all. It's super low ticket, and it does not make sense that this works with this philosophy. However, in reality, there's a couple of things which are crucial and way more important than having a problem solving product. The focus should not be finding a problem solving product. The focus should be to find a product which is the easiest to sell. And there's just a couple of things which you have to follow to make sure that your product is super simple to sell. Let me give you two examples of why this guitar spoon is a really good product without being problem solving or without being super high ticket. The number one thing is it's in a very passionate niche. It's super simple to find a person who likes guitars on Facebook, okay? It's very easy to target people who like guitars. So having this passion niche is super strong. And for example, if you would sell some kind of phone case or a magnetic phone charger, who would you sell that to? Everybody has a phone, right? So there's no specific clear audience who is super passionate about your product. It doesn't make sense to start out with that because it's so tough to actually find people who are gonna be into that product. You're gonna burn through tons of money on Facebook by just testing and letting the algorithm of Facebook optimize, and at some point they're maybe gonna find the target audience which you actually have to target, okay? With the guitar product, you immediately have that. You just type in guitar on the targeting and that's it, okay? So keep in mind, whenever you sell a product, it has to be in a passionate niche. The second thing which is really strong about this product is the upsell potential. And that's something most people don't even think about. Because for example, this guitar spoon, it just doesn't make sense to buy only one piece. It makes sense to buy multiple spoons because to buy a set of spoons is super normal. Okay? And if you have something which people are incentivized to buy 3, 4, 5 times, it's gonna be so much easier to sell. The margins are going to increase, and even a low-ticket product will be super profitable because you have this aspect in place. Because it's just free extra money. You don't pay anything for that customer to come to your website. They're already on the website and they buy the second piece. It's basically free money. So keep that in mind and understand that upselling is done in the product research. While doing product research, you already select a product which is easy to upsell. Okay? That's extremely important. And those are just two examples of why this product is good. Also, just a quick disclaimer here. Obviously, this product doesn't work anymore. If it would work, I wouldn't reveal it because it's from my student. And we basically talked and he's not going to sell it anymore. This product is saturated at this point, but it was a perfect product. Okay? And why this is a perfect product is not only because of those two things. There's so much more to it. And I personally also know that it's very tough to identify winning products as a beginner. If you're just starting out with dropshipping, it's super tough to see 100 products and identify, okay, this one is the best one. It's extremely tough. And this is exactly why I decided to start out this channel. I want to provide as much value as possible on this channel by showing you what good products are, where to find them, how to create a good store, how to create a good product page, how to create really good converting ads, how to set up your things on Facebook, on TikTok, how to have the proper mindset in place to really make dropshipping work. I'm gonna show you tons of case studies of my students who actually succeeded with dropshipping, which is also gonna give you a lot of motivation to keep going because you're gonna see, all right, this works in theory, now I just have to do it by myself. So subscribe to this channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on all the content I'm gonna post in the future, and it's gonna be extremely valuable if you actually want to build an online business. So subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to work with me one-on-one, sign up for a free consultation session. You're gonna have a call with me personally. We're gonna find out if it's gonna be a good fit, and if it actually is, we're gonna start out working together, and also if it's not, no hard feelings, all good. So sign up for a free consultation session with me personally there, just the link below this video. And yeah, either see you in the call or in the next videos.